Hey everyone, Scott Meyer here from Chipp alongside Serge Hunt. We are so excited to keep you updated on what we are building and how you can make AI applicable to you. We know that actually using AI is the big problem. We have to make it easier for people to use, which is why we have some fun features today to share with you. So I'll go ahead and jump right in. One thing that I struggle with as a parent is that there's so much information to keep track of with our kids. And so I built School Buddy here that'll showcase a new feature for Chipp. So when you go into Chipp, we have a new builder that makes it easier to start adding data sources. So as before, you have a prompt. So you're a busy parent trying to find out information. We can brand it, name it, have the conversation starters. But we have this new section called capabilities. And one of them is that we can upload files. So you can see here with knowledge sources, I uploaded our welcome letter and our handbook from our preschool, right? And so now I can go to School Buddy and actually ask questions. So when I say I have a question, it'll start the conversation with my School Buddy. And then I'm going to ask it can I bring snacks with nut? Common question for parents, right? So now what it's going to do is it's going to actually look in my preschool handbook that I uploaded to it and give me the answer. So as a busy parent, I don't have to find the PDF, go to the section, try to find it. If I'm trying to figure out what temperature my kids have to go to school, if they have a fever, things like that, it's going to find it all for us. So it's churning through those documents, everything I upload, and then it'll give me an answer right here on School Buddy, which will be a really fun way for us to showcase how you can add knowledge sources. So Serge, have you added any knowledge sources for yourself?
Yeah, I've been trying to build tutors off of some of my favorite PDFs that I'm reading. So it's a really great way of just like adding a PDF now very quickly and then being able to write a prompt saying, you're a tutor, like this is my learning level, help me sort of understand what's going on inside this PDF. So really straightforward now. There used to be the problem of going off into OpenAI. Now it's all just happening in Chipp.
Perfect. Yeah. So as you saw in that screenshot there, I know that I can't bring snacks with nuts. And if my child has a fever, I'm going to look and see if they can go to school. So now, Serge, you're going to showcase a new feature as well that we have, which is image recognition. So tell us what image recognition is and some fun ways we might use it.
Absolutely. So image recognition is our big reveal this week. We've been requested to give more capabilities to these assistants so that we can expand the use cases that you guys can go and create. And so in that same capabilities tab, you'll find a toggle for image recognition. And so image recognition is basically allowing your assistants to see. Right here, I have a use case, which is about a desk setup estimate assistant. So this is for all the tech nerds here. The instruction is very simple. It's, look at this desk setup, give me an estimate of all of the technology that you see on this setup, and give me the low end, the high end, tell me what exact models they are, if you can guess them. And so this is something really fun for tech reviewers who are looking to find prices of their favorite influencer or YouTubers' desk setup costs. Let's try uploading that from here and open. Oh no, there we go. There we go. Give me an estimate of this desk setup cost. Great. You can imagine using this for different things, Scott. What is there that you might want to take a photo of and find either price estimates or more information about?
Yeah, I think about it. I think I love using it with the fridge. So take a picture of your fridge and tell me what ingredients I have and what I can make with it. So it's like an extra lazy version of creating meals.
That's another thing to mention as well is right now on desktop, on mobile, we also have this working with the mobile phone camera. So if you wanted to take a photo of your fridge, you don't have to hold your laptop up to it. You can just go ahead and snap an image straight from your phone. Yeah, here we go. So we have some estimates here. We've got the lower end. It's possibly a MacBook Pro. It's correct. Between this price range, that's spot on. Studio microphone with stand, keyboard, mouse, desk is somewhere. Yeah, we're pretty close. We're pretty close. Lower end could be 2,200, higher end 5,900.
Oh man.
Now you know that's the setup I'm rocking.
Keep up with you. That's good. Well, let's show one more example you have of image recognition.
So this is the IKEA furniture instructions assistant. So you take a photo of IKEA furniture and get help to construct it.
This can save marriages.
This can save
incredibly valuable.
Insanely valuable. I don't know how much I should be charging for this for this incredible service. Help me with this furniture. So I'm just going to set this off. Here, I've just grabbed a photo of a piece of
a drill bit on top of it.
What should I do next? Question mark, exclamation mark. Exactly, it's mid-build. So the prompt here on the left is, you're a helpful IKEA instructions assistant. I'll upload photos of my IKEA furniture that I'm trying to construct. Start by guessing the IKEA furniture, then proceed to give me a list of 3 next steps. Also include recommendations and considerations. That would be helpful. As you can see here, it's just one capability turned on, which is the image recognition. And we're going to let this get to work. Scott, how many
Yeah,
IKEA furniture fights have you had?
for every piece of furniture I have, I've had a fight for it. So there's a long history of me not being a good IKEA partner. But I love how now with the capabilities with the new builder, like you can just toggle those on or off. So basically everything under capabilities is for the user, and then knowledge sources would be those files that are directly built in. So looks like we have a lot of instructions here for you.
Absolutely. Based on the image you've provided, verify all the parts are present, prepare the workspace, assemble the frame, attach the back panel, check the stability, safety steps. So I can get this a little bit more on point. I think I want it to be like very tied to the IKEA documents. So if I wanted to add them here, that's something I could do. So if you've got a company that helps people set up furniture or have instructions that you want, you can also ship an assistant with that instead of instructions. So they can ask all the questions they want through the chat.
Yep. From HR to customer support to onboarding, I think it's the sky's the limit. So we're really, really excited to see what people build with this new builder. So let us know, and we'll be coming out with these releases quite frequently. So check out for videos of Serge and I going through what's new as we kind of move forward. Our mission, is AI for all. So we really want to make things easy. So with that in mind, we're also sunsetting a few initial integrations we had. So you can maybe tell us some of the changes there, Serge.
Absolutely. As well as the new features, we're going to be talking about bugs and new changes, any shifts in sort of our support for different functionality. One of those pieces of functionality that we're really sad to sunset is our bubble integration. So in our sort of quest to make AI for all and make it very easy and accessible, we focus a lot of our attention on making the builder easier to get into and make it a simple experience. The bubble integration has now depreciated. And if you were building an app on Bubble for credit management, we found out that it's actually much easier for you guys to set up a managed credit system within Bubble. And you will have to rebuild your payment pages custom instead of using the beautiful Chipp checkout pages. But we're really sorry to fail some of our Bubble builders. The few of them that were working with us, it was really an honor. And we hope your use cases are still flourish and you build amazing things. So
keep building. And that's what we're trying to do too, is help people build. So we'll keep you updated on all of the latest. As always, head over to chipp.ai, that's CHIPP.ai, to see new use cases. And of course, subscribe on Substack and YouTube, where we'll put this video. Serge, I can't wait to see what else we come up with in the next coming days.
What are we doing next week?
Let's do it next week. I'll be here, same time, same channel.
What have we got in the pipeline, Scott? What's new?
All right, coming down the pipe, check next week. We're going to talk image generation. You can create images using DALL-E right within Chipp, which will be amazing and really fun. And we got some nice usability things coming down the road that'll make things faster. So if you're waiting for your assistant to think, we're going to solve that problem for you, which we're really excited about. But until then, we look forward to build, and I can't wait to see what you come up with, Serge.
Cool. Share us your use cases, guys. Excited to see what you build.
Take care. See ya.